liter.
Ano kaya problema nito? Bakit tumatagas? Lakas. Actually, tubig na nilagay namin dyan kasi ay naubos na yung coolant niya. Tubig na namin nilagay namin. So, dadalhin namin to sa mechanic shop. Daming tagas. Itong tubig. Sabi ni Michael, ay lagyan ko daw to, babaunin namin papunta sa mechanic kasi baka mag-overheat yung aming sasakyan kasi nga ay tumatagas siya. So, yung coolant na nakalagay doon ay wala na. Naglagay kami kanina 1 litro. Tinagas na yun lahat. So, magre-refill na naman kami. Ano lang, malapit lang naman yung shop. Like mga 10 minutes siguro. 5 to 10 minutes. So, para lang safe, magbabaon kami ng tubig para hindi mag-overheat yung sasakyan.
I think it's just a bad hose.
Driving, checking the middle.
Damn, they may not work on coolant systems.
See, the leaking is here in the middle. Ano yan? Clutch?
Tignan natin ang mapaka...
Retight, make it tighter.
screw.
Kailangan bang hinihigpitan yan palagi?
Hindi naman mapaka...
Kuya, nakikita ko may tumutulo pa din. Ayun oh. So meaning to say that's the coolant hose?
What?
That's the coolant hose?
No, if the clamp came loose and the car shaking, and with the... This is also a problem with the idle, with it jerking like it does, love. It causes stuff like this. That's why...
No, the coolant is out. Oh, rubber lang pala yan, no?
Rubber to.
Oh yeah, he's here now.
Love, that's... Ano nakatagal sa inyo to?
No, this is our second-hand car. We bought it last 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Is it 2 years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you remember you changed already this one before?
No,
we
no.
never
So,
changed
this is the first time.
Yeah.
The first time engine is like that.
Yes.
Okay.
We didn't do any repair. Yeah, they're shaking.
There you go.
Already ship drive. Transmission engage to drive. Reverse.
Spoil? I mean, sira?
Oh, no action.
Sira din?
Yeah.
Yan, parang yan ang sira, no?
Okay. Pagka merong action, with the goods,
Ah.
the engine is reaction like that moving. So, the spark plug and ignition is okay.
Oh. Oh.
Now it's okay. This one. Number one. This is 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, beli taga. Okay. Now. Oh. Only small moving. Small shaking, ha. Kumbaga dito sa number 4, tignan mo parang malakas, no? Yan po.
Oh.
Okay. Here, here. Yes, here.
Here.
Yan na.
Spark plug. Sige, kuya. Tan.
Oo. Basta sabi ko sa kanya, di ba, maandar. Itong bakal na to,
Hmm.
di ba? Ayan, no, malayo siya, no? Tapos yung lining ayun, no? Oh, napakalayo, di ba?
Oo.
O, sige. Yun.
Ayun, oh, nipis, oh. May flashlight ko, kuya.
Ayun na.
Update sa aming sasakyan. Napagawa na namin ito kahapon. And tingnan natin kung merong tulo. Ayan. So far malinis. Kasi nilinis ko na ito kagabi ay kahapon. Yung sahig. So far malinis. Walang patak. Good. Ayan. Ayan.